इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग क्या है? वेल, इमेजिन इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग एज अ फास्ट पेस्ड गेम खेला जाता है स्टॉक मार्केट में। आप बाय और सेल करते हो स्टॉक्स एक ही ट्रेडिंग डे में, एमिंग फॉर क्विक प्रॉफिट्स फ्रॉम प्राइस चेंजेस। यही होता है इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग। It's not about holding stocks for the long term. It's about seizing the opportunities of short-term market fluctuations. सोचो इसको ऐसे, जैसे आप कोई प्रोडक्ट खरीदते हो, होलसेल मार्केट से सुबह और बेच देते हो, उसे रिटेल प्राइस पर later in the day. The goal is to make a profit from the price difference. इसी तरह इंट्राडे ट्रेडर्स बाय करते हैं स्टॉक्स जो उन्हें लगता है कि प्राइस में ऊपर जाएंगे और बेच देते हैं मार्केट क्लोज होने से पहले। Intraday trading matlab quick decisions and even quicker actions. Traders in this fast-paced world rely karte hain technical analysis, charts and market indicators to predict price movements. वो use करते हैं various strategies to capitalize on short-term trends और उनका focus रहता है making profits from the volatility of the market peak. Just like any other trading activity, intraday trading के अपने risks और rewards होते हैं. While the potential for profits is alluring, it's crucial to understand the intricacies of the market before diving in. Yaad rakhiye, in the world of intraday trading, knowledge is power and speed is key. The clock is ticking intraday trading hours. Intraday trading की दुनिया चलती है एक strict schedule पे. The market is open from 9 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Monday to Friday. Every minute counts in this limited time frame. Traders को plan करना होता है अपने moves carefully, considering market trends and analyzing potential opportunities within these hours. Think of it as a race against time. Traders need to be quick on their feet, ready to buy or sell at a moment's notice. The pressure is on, as every second can bring a new wave of price fluctuations. It's a high-stakes game where timing is everything. From the opening bell to the closing bell, every tick of the clock matters. Traders monitor karte hain apni screens, watching for price movements and analyzing charts in real time. The adrenaline rush is constant as they strive to make the most of the trading day. As the clock nears 3:30 p.m., the intensity heightens. Traders scramble karte hain to close their positions, aiming to maximize their profits before the trading day ends. It's a thrilling and challenging endeavor, requiring focus, discipline, and a deep understanding of market dynamics. Riding the waves, capitalizing on price swings. Intraday trading ka matlab hai capturing profits from the daily ups and downs of stock prices. Think of it as riding the waves of the market, buying low and selling high within the trading day. By identifying and capitalizing on these price swings, traders aim to make quick gains. Imagine a surfer waiting for the perfect wave. Similarly, intraday traders analyze karte hain market trends, news events, and technical indicators to identify potential opportunities for profit. They watch for stocks that show volatility, meaning their prices fluctuate significantly throughout the day. These price swings, often driven by market sentiment, news events, or economic data releases, provide opportunities for intraday traders to buy low and sell high. For example, if a positive news report boosts a stock's price, traders might buy shares, hoping to sell them later at a higher price. However, just like riding a wave, timing is crucial. Entering or exiting a trade at the wrong time can lead to losses instead of profits. Therefore, intraday traders rely on their skills, strategies, and a bit of luck to ride these price waves successfully.